Hey, welcome. I'm the Crypto Coach Blockchain Wayne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize the FioSend feature within the Monero.com wallet. Now, FioSend allows you to send cryptocurrency, in this case, Monero, utilizing a Fio crypto handle, which is a short, human-readable address that replaces that long string public address. So let's take a look at the Monero.com wallet and show you what I'm talking about. Got it pulled up here behind me. Now from here, I'm going to hit send. And from here, I type in that Fio crypto handle I want to send to. So for this demo, I'm sending to Wayne at Marcel. So I type that in, and then it's going to validate if that's a valid Fio crypto handle that has a Monero address mapped to it. As you can see, it pulls up the address showing that it's mapped, and then I type in how much I want to send, or I can hit all. And then from there, I just scroll down to the bottom, hit send, and it's as simple as that. I've sent cryptocurrency, in this case Monero, to a Fio crypto handle without having to copy and paste that long string public address, which is prone to errors. Here I confirm my send, and it's successful. It's as easy as sending an email to send cryptocurrency, in this case Monero, within the Monero.com wallet. So that's it. Have a great day.